Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We have here a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom standalone home of approximately 4,000 square feet in a quiet gated community of only 10 units in Waterworks, Kingston 8. It has a commanding front entrance and sits on a corner lot of approximately 0.13 acre. The floor plan is well thought out with powder room, formal living, den, dining, large kitchen, laundry, staff accommodation, and bonus space on the entry level. All 4 bedrooms are on the upper level. The landing serves as an additional sitting area or office, and the primary bedroom suite includes walk-in closet is approximately 6,000 square feet. Special features include porcelain and jatuba flooring, hurricane shutters, private generator, water tank, and a two-car carport. Some upgrades are required, but this home has a lot to offer and is in a very good condition. This complex was built by Gillian in 2004. It has 24-hour security at the gate, landscape grounds, and a common area gazebo and pool with a view of the mountains. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 925,000 or Jamaican $142.3 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.